Hey, it's Tom Gallagher with AutosOnVideo, and in this video we see a merchandiser punching in a stock number into the inventory to identify that vehicle to be fully merchandised. Now the merchandiser is capturing full motion video as well as still photos, all in under 7.5 minutes to fully merchandise a vehicle. The great thing about AutosOnVideo is you can do this with the technology you have in your pocket, as well as not having the need to plug into a computer. We sped up the process so you can see how quickly, how easily the merchandiser does this. And here we see the merchandiser finishing up the process, entering the vehicle, hitting upload, all without plugging into a computer. Finishing the process now and on to the next vehicle. Thanks again for watching. Please click like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again and have a great day.